So in this question it says that a 1 milliwatt video signal having a bandwidth of 100 megahertz is transmitted to a receiver through a cable that has 40 dB loss. So a signal is transmitted which is 1 milliwatt and a bandwidth of 100 megahertz or 10 to the power 8 hertz. So the signal 1 milliwatt and bandwidth 100 megahertz or 10 to the power 8 hertz is transmitted through a cable that has 40 dB loss. So 40 dB is the loss. So if we are given that effective one-sided noise spectral density at receiver is 10 to the power minus 20 watt per hertz, then we have to find the signal to noise ratio at the receiver. So the received power, the signal power received in dB signal power received in dB is equal to the power transmitted in dB minus the loss in dB. So in normal units we can write signal power as equal to power transmitted upon loss. This is in normal unit without dB. So S equal to PT upon loss. Now loss is given to us as 40 dB. So we have to convert into normal. So 10 log to the base of 10 into loss is equal to 40 dB. So loss will be equal to 10 to the power 4. So loss is equal to 10 to the power 4 and power transmitted is 1 milliwatt. So this is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 upon 10 to the power 4. So this is equal to 10 to the power minus 7. So the signal power is 10 to the power minus 7. Now the noise power will be equal to noise spectral density into bandwidth. Noise spectral density into bandwidth. So noise spectral density is given as 10 to the power minus 20 watt per hertz. So 10 to the power minus 20 into bandwidth is 10 to the power 100 megahertz or 10 to the power 8 hertz. So this is equal to 10 to the power minus 12. So the signal to noise power is, the signal to noise ratio will be equal to, as we found out to be 10 to the power minus 7 and this we found out to be, and we found out to be minus 10 to the power minus 12. So 10 to the power 5. This is without dB. Now to convert it into dB, this is equal to 10 log to the base 10 or 10 to the power 5 in dB. So this is equal to 50 dB. So the correct answer of signal to noise ratio at the receiver is 50 dB. Thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt or any feedback you can comment in the comment box. Please like and share the video.